everybody, it's Cindy A. Lewis here. Another time for a quick and easy craft. This is for your junk journal. It's a cute little pocket. It's got pockets on both sides from one sheet of paper, no glue. You'll use washi to hold it together, and isn't that the most adorable thing you've ever seen? So I learned this from Happy Art Journal, and she had it on her Instagram. And so I'm going to do one here for you really easily and explain the whole step. But this is what it looks like, and there's pockets on both sides, and of course you can vintagize them up how you want, but right now I'm just going to show you how to do it. So I just have a sheet out of my dictionary, and you need it to be even. So in other words, you need to fold it in thirds. And they all need to be even. So the way that I do that is I just fold them up together and make sure that they're even. If they're not quite even, then I will pull it and redo it, because I just want to make sure. If you want to measure it with your tool, you can definitely do that. I feel like I'm not quite there. There we go. Just like that. Okay, so then you get it even. If it's not quite even, I would suggest trimming it down just to make sure all your sides are even. Okay, so we're going to trim that. Then what you're going to do, and it's really not that hard, but just think about an inch. So you're going to come in about an inch and cut right here. Then you're going to come over and you're going to cut to the middle, or just past the middle right here on that line, that fold line. Then you're going to come up and to the next fold line, and then you're going to go over to where you have about that inch again, and then you're going to cut up. So you have two pieces that look like this. So about an inch, come over a little past the middle, go up to the next fold, cut over to about an inch left on your paper, and there you go. So that is how you cut it. All right. Now we're going to fold it. So you take your pieces and put the tall pieces together like this. One side is sticking out to the right, and the other side is sticking out to the left. You're going to take whatever is in the back and fold it over the front piece, and then fold the front little inch down. Then you flip it over. You take this piece that's sticking out to the right now, fold it, and fold it in. And that is your basic pocket. It has 1, 2, your middle pocket here, 3, 4, 5 pockets. Then just take your washi tape, and you're going to put washi tape down the side. I'm just going to, you'll see. Then fold this over. And fold this over. And you're going to trim these off, and then you're going to cover the bottom with another piece of washi. It doesn't come off. So you're going to, I'm going to cut that out. All right. So then you take a piece and fold your washi up for the bottom, and voila, you have your pockets. So let me fill this one so you can see how it looks. Okay, and that's how it looks. And so I'm going to do one more, but I'm going to do it with a regular sheet of 8.5 by 11 so you can see the difference. All right, and there's my stuffed little double-sided pockets, all cute for fall. So it's very easy. You don't have to have a lot of supplies to do this, and then you just put whatever you want inside, decorate how you want to, and a really fun folded pocket, little cutting, and washi tape. So thanks so much for watching. Go over and check out Happy Art Journal. That's right, Happy Art Journal. I wanted to make sure it wasn't an S on the end. So Happy Art Journal. Thank you for the inspiration, and have a wonderful day. Hope you enjoyed it.